Hello students, hope you all are doing fine. Today we are going to discuss the next topic under the nutrition chapter that we have started in the last video. Before going to the next topic, let us revise the previous lecture. In the previous lecture, we have discussed what is nutrition, what are the food groups, what are the functions of different food groups, what are the nutrients, what are the types of nutrients, and under the types of nutrients we have covered one nutrient, that was the carbohydrate. We have discussed their functions, their food sources, and its deficiency disease. Now next topic we are going, or I can say the next nutrient we are going to discuss is proteins. You must have heard protein earlier also, but now you will learn more about it. Now, what is protein? Proteins are essential nutrients for the human body. They are one of the building blocks of body tissue and can also serve as fuel source. Proteins help to make body fit and fine, make a muscular body. So if anyone say that I want to be a muscular, I want to be fit and fine, then protein plays very important role in that part. Next are the functions of protein. First function is to retain body structure and composition. As you can see in the picture, the maximum part of the body is covered with the water. But after water, the maximum part is attained by protein. So this shows that for making your body structure, protein plays very important role. The way you look, the way you are fit, protein gives you that particular structure. And about the composition, we can say because protein is a component of many parts, or I can say is a maker of many components in your body. For that, for performing different functions, so protein helps to retain body structure as well as composition. Second function, that is the very important function they perform, that is to build and repair tissue in the body. As you can see in the picture also, the students are building a figure by plotting different blocks. Same thing proteins do. You always see the change if from your childhood to the adulthood, or I can say your adolescence age or teenager age. You see a growth in yourself. That growth, that change in the size of the body, that all helps with the protein. Protein is responsible to help you to attain that particular shape or particular size of the body. So the growth and development is dependent on protein. Protein makes your tissue grow to the larger size so that your body height can grow, your body different organs can grow easily. Second thing it do is the repairing of tissues. Whenever you get any cut or any wound on any part of your body, after 3 to 4 days you always see the skin regrow and the wound disappear. That regrowth and that disappearance is because of the protein. Protein helps to heal and regrow the tissue so that the particular wound get healed. Third function is it helps to form antibodies to fight infection. Now, what are antibodies? Antibodies are those fighting soldiers, those fighting components that are present in your body to fight against different bacteria, viruses, or different disease causing organisms and protect your body from different diseases. So the antibodies are like soldiers to your body, which gives you immunity, which protects your body from different diseases. So antibodies are also formed by the protein. Next function is to form enzymes, hormones, regulate body processes. Different enzymes which are required for the digestion processes and other processes, hormones for your growth and other system processes, and also with the help of both, complete regulation of the body processes is done. This is the very important part and should be memorized, that 1 gram of protein gives us 4 kilocalorie of energy. Earlier we have studied that carbohydrate gives 1 gram of carbohydrate gives 4 kilocalorie of energy. Same way 1 gram of protein gives 4 kilocalorie of energy. Next are the food sources. Food sources of protein are milk, meat, curd, cheese. Cheese is a thing you all love to have. The last is the pulses. Pulses are something which should be consumed once a day, essentially. Next are the groundnuts, oilseeds, fish, poultry, grain products. Now, what are the deficiency diseases of protein? Deficiency diseases are kwashiorkor and marasmus. Due to the protein deficiency, these two diseases are the major diseases occurring these days. One is the kwashiorkor, other is the marasmus. The major difference you can see in the body are in kwashiorkor, you see a fat child with a big stomach, but in marasmus, the child is very weak. More to differentiate, in kwashiorkor, the face of the child becomes moon-like, but in marasmus, it becomes weak. In kwashiorkor, your all body parts look swollen. Edema is present. Edema means retention of water in different body parts. But in marasmus, body gets so weak that bones are easily visible in the body. So this was a brief about the kwashiorkor and marasmus that occurs due to the protein deficiency. Next are the fats. Fats are one of the three main macronutrients along with carbohydrates and proteins. Fat molecules consist of primarily carbon and hydrogen atom and are therefore hydrophobic. Hydrophobic means fear of water. They don't get mixed with the water and are soluble in organic solvents and insoluble in water. What are the functions of fats? First is to supply energy in concentrated form. When we say supply energy in concentrated form, that means they have fullness of energy, all energy entrapped in them. When you're a kid, or to the small children, mothers always make pinnies, laddus. So they are, why they are given, because they are like the concentrated source of energy. When you consume one pinny, that means you are gaining lot of energy from that one pinny to maintain your different body processes. Next is the provide essential fatty acids to the body. There are two major essential acids that we study, that is omega 3 and omega 6. So fats help to provide that essential fatty acids which are involved in various processes in our body. Next is to aid transport and absorption of fat soluble vitamins. There are total of vitamins like vitamin A, B, C, D, E and K. But B and C are the water soluble vitamins, and vitamin A, D, and K are the fat soluble vitamins. So, if you have anything consisting of these vitamins, these will get absorbed and in your body only in the presence of fat. If fat is not present in your diet or fatty acids are not present in your diet, they can never be absorbed in the body. They act as lubricant in the intestine and facilitates the passage of food. 1 gram of fat is equals to 9 kilocalorie of energy. That means 1 gram of protein gives 4 kilocalorie, 1 gram of carbohydrate gives 4 kilocalorie, and 1 gram of fat gives 9 kilocalorie. What are the sources of fat? Cooking fat, oils, ghee, cream, vanaspati, meat products. These were the sources of fat. Last is the deficiency caused due to the fat. No specific fat deficiency is known in human beings. So, to summarize the energy given by all the three components, carbohydrates, 1 gram carbohydrate 4 calorie, 1 gram protein 4 kilocalorie, and 1 gram of fat 9 kilocalorie. Thank you, students.